Hi, to install Linux on Android, you'll need a rooted Android phone. And if you are going to keep it plugged in to the charger for a long time, I would recommend using a phone where you can remove the battery. Okay, so let's get started. You'll need to download 3 apps. First is BusyBox. It will install some important libraries needed to install any Linux distribution. Second, we'll install Linux Deploy. We'll use this to install the Linux distribution of our choice. Next, we'll install VNC Viewer. This app lets us view the desktop of installed Linux distribution. First, we'll open BusyBox. Hit install. Next, we'll open Linux Deploy. We'll go to the configuration at the bottom and we'll install Ubuntu. And we'll name our user root, and you can change the password if you want. Enable SSH. Earlier with default settings, I tried to SSH into the system but was not able to. The problem is that Android restricts us from using ports that are less than 1024. So SSH runs on port 22 by default. So you'll need to change the port to something greater than 1024. Otherwise you get a permission denied error. Next, check the box for GUI so that we can view the desktop. Now we have specified all the configuration and we just need to install. This will take about 10 minutes depending on your internet connection. Note the IP that is displayed at the top. So in my case it is 192.168.1.200. If you are going to connect to your phone from another device on the same network, you'll need this IP. I'll be showing you how to SSH from another device on the same network later in the video. Okay, so now it is installed. Hit the start button at the bottom. Next, we'll open VNC Viewer. Click the plus icon. Here we'll type localhost :5900. Then give any name for your system. Hit connect. It will ask you for a password. We have to type the same password we specified in Linux Deploy. And we are connected. Now I'll show you how to SSH from your computer connected on the same network. First, I'll show you how to do this in Windows. You'll need to install Putty. The link is in the description below. Open it and type the username root @ the IP of your mobile that was displayed at the top of Linux deploy. Then specify the port and click open. Then enter the password. Now I'll do the same thing through my computer running Ubuntu. Open a terminal and type SSH root @ the IP of your mobile. And here we'll specify the port by using -P and then the port number. This will ask for the password. And there we go. We can try some commands. To disconnect from the session, we'll type exit. So this was all. If you have any doubts, you can leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.